Hello ladies and gentlemen and everything in between, welcome to Kismet's Corner. I'm Kismet. Today we have something from Canada, and in our little community that means something from Zippo Fanatic 77. He sent along a nice little pen, nice little Canada pouch. Put that off to the side, it's the main show. So inside the pouch he sent some stickers, some Zippo Mafia stickers, nice little Canada sticker. But the thing that we're all interested in is this. Oh man. I put a soft flame insert in there. Very cool. I love pizza, it's my favorite food, so it seems fitting I would receive this. Dogs are barking next door, that's always fun. Look at that. It's so hard to capture on camera how cool this is. And here's another brass. This one's a lot more tarnished. And so this one, when it gets tarnished, you can see how polished it is. But pretty soon it'll look like this, and the nickel will really pop. So on this side you got Skull Pizza. On this side you've got Zippo Fanatic 77 with brass knuckles. Pizza on the back, sides, top. And for anybody who's interested, this is a K17. I forget what K means, what month that is, but my first initial is K, so that's funny. Anyway, listen to that sound. Yeah. Anyway, just wanted to show this awesome lighter off. Thank you so much, Zippo Fanatic 77, and I'll see you guys later.